Hello guys and welcome back to Take Kids Guru channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix Instagram invite send problem. If you are facing issue with sending invites or receiving Instagram invite message on your phone, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Here is a general guide. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your phone has a stable internet connection. Invite messages on Instagram require an active internet connection. After that, update the Instagram app. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. Log out of your Instagram account and then log back in. This can help refresh your account setting. After that, clear app cache. For that, open the phone setting, scroll down. After that, tap on manage apps and search for Instagram. In app info of Instagram, you can see here storage, tap on it. In the bottom, you can see here clear data, tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Instagram support for assistance. You can usually find support option within the Instagram app on the Instagram help center. For that, open the Instagram app and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and tap on setting and privacy. Scroll down, tap on help. After that, tap on report a problem. In report a problem, brief what happened or what's not working. Describe your issue. You can add photo or a screenshot of the issue. Tap on apps. After that, tap on send. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.